Okay, so my name is Asghar. I'm a safety officer in Saudi Arabia, and today I'm going to take your interview for the position of safety officer. Are you comfortable?
Yes, I'm comfortable.
Okay, good. So tell me about yourself, please.
My name is Madhus Aslam. I'm from Pakistan. I have 1 year experience in safety field.
Okay.
Yes.
What about
I
your
have
education background?
education. I complete FSC.
Okay, so in which year you done your diploma, the Bosch?
Uh, Last year.
In which year, sorry?
Last year, 2024.
Okay, 2024.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So where you now? Are in Saudi Arabia or in Pakistan?
Uh, Sir, actually, I'm in Pakistan.
So how many experience do you have in Pakistan? Have you experience about in safety?
I have 1 year experience.
In which company?
I don't have I don't have any experience in company. I just experience like in how to say like in institute just for like for practice.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so what is fire? Do you know?
But yes, yes. The combination of three things like heat, oxygen,
Okay,
and fuel. Yes.
okay. So how many elements of fire?
Mm, there are there are
You have
three
already
elements.
told. Okay.
There are three elements: oxygen,
Hmm.
heat, and fuel.
Okay, okay, good. What are the types of fire?
Types of fire:
Okay, how many types of
incipient.
fire? How many
How
types of
many
fire?
types of fire?
Yeah.
Mm, incipient, uh, decay,
No,
fully
no.
growth.
I'm asking how many types of fire?
Like you asking about like solid in liquid in gas,
Yeah,
solid liquid gas.
there
These are
are
the two
five types.
types.
There are five types of fire. Okay, solid
There
fire.
are yeah, there are five types. There are five types of solid, liquid, gas, metal, and I think kitchen, something like that.
Metal fire.
Kitchen fire. Yeah.
Okay, okay. What is scaffolding?
Scaffolding. It is a temporary structure we are using at work for work at height purpose. To when work to work when workers working. So for this purpose we are using scaffolding to protect workers and material from falling.
Okay, and how many types of scaffolding? Can you tell me only three types
Uh,
of scaffolding?
mobile scaffold,
Hmm.
uh,
Okay.
uh, mobile scaffold, elevator scaffold, and
Okay, like mobile scaffolding, single scaffolding,
I
double
don't know the third one.
scaffolding, cantilever scaffolding. These are the types of scaffolding. Okay.
And tube scaffold.
Okay, so what are the hazard of scaffolding?
Scaffolding, fall of person from scaffold.
Okay, good. Go ahead. Tell me more. Do you hear me?
Sir, I'm so sorry. Yes, sir. I'm so sorry. Here is a little bit internet problem, so I'm so sorry for this.
Okay, no issue, no issue. Okay, tell me more. The hazard of scaffolding.
Fall of workers from scaffold, fall of materials from scaffold beneath the workers, no one full body harness, uh,
Okay.
failure of failure of component,
Hmm.
no sole board, no proper sole board, no uh, need no firm ground level.
Hmm. Slip and trips.
Deep and trips.
Okay. What is work at height?
Work at height
Yeah,
when worker are working at 1.8 meter.
above from the ground.
Yeah, above from the ground. Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the precautions of work at height?
Precaution of work at height. First of
Yeah.
all, permit to work should be
Okay.
issued.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, full body harness should be on.
No, no, I'm talking what are the precautions of work at height? You tell me the procedure.
Precaution.
Yeah, yeah, precaution. Not procedure,
Mm,
precaution.
Precaution. Permit to work should be issued before work.
Okay, like use fall protection, harness lanyards, inspect all equipment before use, secure tool and prevent from falling, and use guardrail, avoid work at bad condition. These are the precaution of work at height. Okay, do you hear me?
Internet problem. Here internet getting stuck.
Yeah, I think there is some issue in your internet. Okay, no issue. Okay, what is excavation?
Yes. Excavation. Digging
Yeah,
the earth surface by removing the soil mechanically or manually.
okay. And what are the excavation protection? How many types of protection?
Sir, I don't know about this.
There are three types of protection: shoring, benching, and sloping. Okay, I think there are a lot of internet issue here on your side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There is a lot of internet issue.
Okay, so what is crane?
Crane is crane is a heavy machine
Mhm.
which is used to lift heavy equipment from one place to
Mhm.
another place by suspended uh, his boom.
Okay, and what is tandem lifting?
Tandem lifting when two crane are involved at same time. It's called tandem lifting.
And what do you know about critical lifting?
Critical lifting, uh, critical when mm, critical lifting like when we are working near to residential area, uh, near to like we are working, we are lifting without power. We are working near to power line. We are working uh,
Okay,
without when we are working when we are lifting something when we are lifting something at night. So there should be proper lighting. If there is not there is no proper lighting, so at this moment this is we call This is critical lifting.
Okay, so tandem lifting is a critical lifting or not?
Yes, tandem lifting is a critical lifting.
Okay, good. Okay, tell me about confined space. What do you know about confined space?
Any space which have a limited access and egress, but not designed for permanent occupancy. It's called confined space.
Can you tell me the example of confined space?
Uh, Tank, manhole,
Hmm.
vessel.
Hmm. Okay, and what are the
This is
hazards of confined space?
confined space. The hazard of confined space when carbon when oxygen below 19.5 percent, then it is also hazard.
You mean
When
oxygen, oxygen deficiency, huh?
when oxygen more than 23 to 20, 23 23.5, so it's also a hazard. In this case, you will not enter to the confined space before
Okay,
ventilation.
okay, more.
Also, before entering the confined space, we have a log sheet to enter the detail of entrance.
Mm-hmm. Poor visibility is also a hazard of confined space. Poor lighting is also a hazard
Yeah,
of confined
poor
space.
visibility also. Light,
Poor,
lighting. Yeah, yeah.
poor ventilation and poor housekeeping. These are the hazard of confined
Poor
space.
house.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me the step of risk assessment?
Yeah. The first one, identify the hazard. The second
Hmm.
one, identify the people who might be harmed and how. And the third
Okay.
one, evaluate the risk and decide on precaution. The fourth
Okay.
one, identify the significant finding and implement them. The fourth one, review and update.
Okay. Good. What is Lotto?
Lotto, log out, take out.
Okay.
Is use log out, take out is using before any electrical work to control electrical work.
Okay. Okay, brother. You are good, inshallah. Uh, so, inshallah, when you here in Saudi Arabia, when you came here, so there are three at a time, three interview conduct in every company. Okay. So you need to be
Yes, sir.
prepared for yourself. Okay.
Inshallah.